In this video, I will show you how to use Sparkline. Sparkline are great for displaying trends. Excel offers three Sparkline types: line, column, and win loss. A Sparkline is a tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a virtual representations of data. Sparkline shows trends in a series of values such as seasonal increase or decrease, revenue cycle, or to highlight maximum and minimum values. Position a sparkline in data puts a great impact on worksheet. Select a blank cell at Sparkline tab. Select Insert and pick Sparkline type. First we will select line. Now select the cell in the row and press OK. You can see we can also change the style of sparkline color. By using marker, we can point out the highest and lowest point. So now let's move to next one, sparkline column. In sparkline column also we can change the color, style, and by using marker we can point out the highest and lowest point. Here also we can change the color, style, and highlight the point of win and loss. Thank you for watching.